How's it going, guys? Double Wide 6, and today we're taking a look at a power tool replacement battery. And I got this battery sent out from a company called Vanon. Here it is, V-A-N-O-N, Vanon, and they make replacement batteries for your power tools. They do all kinds of brands, and I'm not really too brand specific. I have some Milwaukee tools. That one there's a Bosch, and this one's a Hitachi. And as you guys know, these batteries cost a ton of money, so you're probably better off buying complete new tools with chargers and new batteries, you know, every 2-3 years when the batteries wear out. Well, there is an alternative to buying OEM, really expensive batteries, and that's to try and get the replacement batteries. And these guys have been making batteries for quite a while, and they have really good reviews online with their batteries. I wasn't familiar with the company until they contacted me, and they sent this thing out about 2 months ago, and I've been running it pretty hard, basically in my impact drivers that I use all the time, and so far things have been good. I contacted the manufacturer to ask them what type of cells they put in these things, and they said that it was either LG or Samsung. So we're going to pop this open and we'll just take a look inside and verify what the cell actually is. So I figured we'd take a little look at the overall finish. This is an OEM battery here, and this is the Vanon replacement battery. First thing, you know, the OEM battery has a nice rubber shell on the bottom, and so does the Vanon battery. Okay, size-wise, it's basically the same size. This is a bigger battery, has a little more depth to it. It's a 6 amp hour battery, and this one's probably about half that. The other thing you'll notice is it shows you here the power. So I've had this thing charged up for a while, and I've been using it, so it's run down a little bit. This one's showing 2 bars, so that all looks the same. This one doesn't say Milwaukee. The buttons seem good, and when you go to attach the battery to the tool, they lock in real nice. There is a little wiggle room on these, but there's also wiggle room on the OEM battery. So that was one thing I noticed, and you can clearly see they both have, you know, about the exact same fit. So other than that, you know, everything really looks good from what I can see as far as build quality, and it does fit the charger and charge, you know, with the Milwaukee charging system. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this thing apart. You can see the electronics here, and we're gonna try and get in here and take a look at the cells, and we'll just see what brand they are. And if you take a look here, these cells are Samsung, so they use, you know, really good cells, you know, the same cells the OEM companies are most likely using. Just for comparison, I popped open the Milwaukee OEM battery, and has less cells because it's a smaller battery. But these cells, I don't know how well you can see it, but I can see it from up here. It says Samsung underneath this writing here. If I look between the cells, I can see the word Samsung. So brand-wise, these cells are exactly the same as the Vanon cells. Last thing I want to take a look at is how the battery fits in the charger. This one's OEM. Just slips in like that, and the charger has an indicator light. And this is the Vanon battery. Slips in the same way. Once again, has an indicator light. Red means it needs to be charged, so we'll let it charge up a little bit. Alright guys, we're just going to test this thing out. We'll take out a couple lug nuts off my truck. These are torqued down real tight, and believe me, I could take out bolts for an hour straight. So we'll just show you basically that the battery works and is powerful. So put that on there. See if we can get this off. Well, I would say that that one was torqued on there pretty tight. I just got these wheels put on. Thing's stuck in there. Take out another. This gun's made to come out slow once they start to loosen up. Plenty of power. This is a good test. These are really torqued. Let me just adjust the torque. Alright, drive these in. Alright guys, I think we have a pretty good product here. I like the fact that the cells are name brand. In fact, they're, as we said, the same brand that Milwaukee uses. So we're at least getting good cells. I've already bought replacement batteries for tools that were generic, and they worked real well for about a month or two, and then all of a sudden the tool wouldn't charge as well. So I think, you know, with using good cells, you're going to get better results, and they are using name brand cells. The only thing that I don't know about is the electronics in here. I can't speak to whether or not the electronics in the battery will hold up as good as the name brand ones, but you know, it charges properly, and you know, seems to be working this far. But as I said, I haven't had the battery for 2 years or anything like that. So I'll put a link down in the description where you can learn about these batteries a little bit if you're interested. It's a lot more cost effective than the OEM batteries. So thanks for watching, guys. You'll have to let me know what you think. And I guess I should mention, I also have already rebuilt battery packs. I made a video on that probably about 2 years ago. And I had really good results using name brand cells when I rebuilt. They were some Ryobi batteries. However, you end up paying about $30 to do an 18-volt battery, but they're still working well for me. I haven't had any issues with those. So I'll include that video right here, and you can click on that if you're interested. But thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. Take care.